Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Porsche 911 manual only way. Begin by adjusting seat and mirrors, fasten your belt, press the clutch fully and select first gear. Use smooth throttle while gently releasing the clutch to avoid stalling. Practice heel and toe downshifts to match revs and maintain stability during braking. Keep revs in the power band and use short, precise inputs for steering and pedals to build confidence. Warm up the car with gentle revs, then press clutch fully and shift into second after a smooth first gear launch. Focus on timing the throttle with clutch release and avoid abrupt inputs. For upshifts, lift slightly off the throttle, blip only when needed to match revs, and engage the next gear cleanly. Practice on quiet roads to build muscle memory and confidence before pushing harder. Listen to the engine and feel the clutch bite. Approach corners with proper entry speed, brake in a straight line, and downshift smoothly before turning. Turn in with progressive steering and use throttle to balance the car through the apex. For sharper corners, set up earlier, trail brake to shift weight to the front, then accelerate progressively on exit. Practice these steps in stages to understand weight transfer, traction limits, and how the Porsche 911 responds to inputs. Stay calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.